I am your father. 2024 Keystone Cougar 320 RDS Midnight Edition. It is awesome. Check out the LED light in that power awning. There's LED light underneath, down low. A.B.S Brakes, folks. Red drums. Wow, this is nice. It is prepped for a backup camera. We got 2 more slides over this side. Take a look at the size of that slide. Love it. All right, walking in to the Star Wars edition. No. Cougar. Oh, love Cougars. Check out this beautiful, beautiful kitchen. Lots of storage. We do have an oven, 3-burner stove, a Furrion microwave. Check out the beautiful piano finish on this huge residential style fridge. Great spot there for a coffee maker, toaster. How about here? Pantry, pantry, pantry. Hello! Storage! Love the big window here up on the far side. But take a look at this sofa. L-shaped sofa, absolutely love it. 4 chairs on the table. Fireplace that does throw out some heat on those chilly nights. We got a TV on a televator. Oh my goodness. Another movie? Star Wars plus Star Trek. Buttons right here. This has to be the best sofa in the RV business today. Check out this. Makes a bed. Very big one at that. Here, theater seats. Like so. And like so. Ah, I like that. Up next, let's go to the bathroom and bedroom. Again, more solid surface countertops, skylight. We got a porcelain toilet, storage up here. Master bedroom, absolutely. King size bed. Nice big window here. Lots of storage. Yes, it is prepped for a washer dryer. That means you can live in this thing. All right, now we're at the front cap. There's a plug-in, USB connection. Great spot there for a CPAP machine if you need to use one. Second AC. Dresser, another spot here for a TV. Oh, I love it. E.T. Go Home. Is that movie number 3? All right, folks. 80 Commerce Street. Please give us a call. Let's book an appointment with one of our friendly sales staff. We'll gladly show you this beautiful, beautiful unit. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.